Your first thoughts and first reaction to the announcement that has come in, 10% tariff, how does life change for India's jewelry exporters?
Isha, it's a status quo for us. We are expecting that yesterday on the 23rd of July, the surcharge of 10% which was there, that will expand. We'll have some 2-3 days or some weeks of tax holidays. But they were fast enough to impose the Section 301, and now we are back to square one with 10% of tariff. And for last 2 or 3 months, we have started to adjust with this 10% tariff. And as of now, I don't see any impact of this coming to our industry.
All right, so status quo maintained for the jewelry industry. Hi, Mr. Kedia. Meryl D'Souza here, also joining in. Can you tell us what, if there is more, and if yes, then what more do you expect from the India-US trade agreement?
See, what we are expecting that as far as jewelry is concerned, we are the major part of the chunk goes to US only for our exports. And if we are searching for the new markets, then it's going to take 10 to 15 years for their development, and there's no such a big market like US across the globe. So we are expecting that we'll get some benefit from the US government, and there will be some free trade agreement related to jewelry, and probably this duty will come down to zero. If not zero, then at least will be around 3% or 4%. And also we are expecting that as government has done the FTA with UK, in which the silver import duty is being slashed from 15% to 10%. Similar kind of things could be done with the US from where if we are bringing down the refined gold and silver, that can become in the less import duty, which is going to be beneficial for both the countries. Like raw material is coming from there, and we are exporting them the fresh goods.